So let go.
This is the.
Welcome to the Batcave.
That's the Batmobile and the Bat computer. Who's the new kid?
John, this is Batman's son, Damian.
Ow. Well, he's obviously not invulnerable.
Reminds me of us when we first met.
I was nicer.
I'm intrigued.
What are you doing here? Aliens are taking over the globe.
Oh, okay. We brought Starro into this.
It is time. It is time. It is time. It is time. It is time.
Come on, farm boy. We gotta go save our dads. All right, Justice Dweebs. Let's do this thing.
I would watch this as a. I don't know if I want to see it as a movie, but I would definitely watch this as a show. I ain't gonna cap. I would need them to be about. I need give them about 10 more years. Like I need them to be like 1920. Because what? Yeah, they should be around. Yeah, they should be like early college when I would watch this show. I need a little more. I need a little more graphic. But yeah, I'd watch that show. It should look pretty cool. It looked pretty cool. You should fucking show that. It looked pretty cool. Comments are off. IGN, god damn it.